Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here on YouTube, May 16th, 6:25 p.m. Central Time. I'm going to try to make this short and sweet, but we are looking at Nervous Network CKB on the 12-hour chart. Now, I've got some huge news after we kind of break this chart down about NFTs launching and stuff like that on CKB, Nervous Network. So, big shout out to Seek Camera, who is a user on YouTube who dropped some information on a live feed I did yesterday while I was out in my boat in the middle of the lake fishing. That was the only place I could get a decent cell signal to effectively live stream. So, thank you, Seek Camera, for this information. We will get to this information in a second, but I want you to kind of see where CKB is at right now and why we shouldn't worry quite yet. We can definitely see on this 12-hour chart that we are retesting the 200 moving average. We have kind of dropped down below this trend line. Now, that's okay for now because we've kind of dropped below this trend line in the past here, but we've bounced back up. Furthermore, stochastics and RSI are quite frankly in the tank. So this gives us some room to move upwards, and with CKB China, which is a Twitter handle, CKB China, they are going to be releasing some heavy news on Nervous Network's NFT platform on May 17th, tomorrow. I don't know what time, but there is a user on Twitter, CK Bytes. They, in fact, have a screenshot of the first NFT platform live on CKB. It's pretty cool. Go over to their Twitter handle, CK Bytes, BYTES, or at CKBYTES. That is awesome. And what I want to go ahead and say is, yes, we're testing this 200 moving average. We've got news coming out tomorrow. What I thought was really cool as I read more in depth about CK Bytes' other posts on this was that they go on to say every NFT is loaded up with 134 CKB outright from the issuer. So this means that whoever is issuing the NFT is basically paying it forward so everybody else can party in that sense. So they go on to say that a transfer costs 0.00001318 CKB, which means that the NFT can be sent 10 million times between other parties for free. Possibly, and an NFT, no gas fees for 10 million transfers. That's huge. Man, this is how Nervous Network is changing the game. People that are into NFTs might really consider switching over to the Nervous Network platform. And if each NFT costs 134 CKB, you can definitely see how price of CKB could increase drastically, especially over time as developers, NFT developers, things like that start kind of dogpiling in. Definitely a very cool system they have going. So my hat's off to Seek Camera, CK Bytes on Twitter. Go follow them. Lots of great information there. And definitely look at CKB China's Twitter handle. They do have some information there. It's in Chinese. It's easy to translate in your preferred language. And they go on to say that they are releasing more information about NFTs May 17th, folks, tomorrow. So my point is of this whole thing here, we could be looking at a very nice bounce. That's all I'm saying. We will have to wait until tomorrow, maybe the next couple of days, wait for news to kind of trickle into social media platforms, things like that. I suspect we're going to see a lot of NFT designers, things like that, start kind of talking about this as well. So, like I said at the beginning, I'm going to keep this video short and sweet because my voice is just not sounding good. I do want to thank all of you for smashing that like button. If you found this information useful, please go ahead and subscribe. We would love to have you here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So we'll do a follow-up video probably tomorrow for sure. Probably once this news drops. And we'll see if this has any impacts at all on the price. And it might not because Nervos Network is such a new idea, design, as far as their NFT platforms go. So, but I am holding hope on this one, but we won't know more until we know more. So that's all I got for you guys tonight. I'm not going to beat the horse anymore. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in.